Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss APA referencing style, which is important for the report writing of any research project. What does it mean by citations? Citation means the way of referencing others' work according to set principles. Many referencing styles are prevalent globally, such as Oxford, Harvard, APA, MLA, ASA, etc. The most frequently referencing style used worldwide in social sciences is APA, American Psychological Association. APA explains citation of information within text and in a reference list, bibliography at the end of the paper, report, thesis, book. APA published the manual called as APA Manual every year at Washington, D.C. In 1929, APA published instructions for authors on how to prepare manuscripts for APA journals, later used for thesis, term papers, etc. The manual includes all details of font size, format, and style of tables, figures, headings, subheading, etc. Currently, its sixth edition is progress. Truly, it is called as a Concise Rules of APA Style 6th edition, or more popularly as APA version 6. Element of citations. Authors are authoring body, date of publication, title of the work, edition, publisher, place of publication, title of the source, location of information within the source, URL or DOI, non-routine information. Citation of authors: surname and initials such as Noreen, G, hyphenated first name Rahman, A, underscore U, editor's name Robinson, D, capital dot N capital, editor. No author, entry under title, delete, professor, doctor, major, retired, etc. Authoring body or group, full name such as National Institute of Health, subordinate body, University of the Punjab, Institute of Business Administration, government agencies, Government of Pakistan, Ministry of Finance, date of publication, journal, book, AV Media, 1993, meeting, monthly magazine, newsletters, 1993 June, 1993 spring, daily, weekly, 1994 September 28, accepted work but not yet published in press, no date available, ND, publications over long period 1959 to 1963, republished work, a note at the end, original work published 1923, title of the work, title of book chapter, title of journal article, title of encyclopedia article, subtitle with colon. Edition you used, edition in Arabic numerals, second edition, revised edition, fourth edition. Publisher names for non-periodicals, omit superfluous terms such as publishers, publications, CO, INC, Sage, not Sage Publications, Billy, McGraw-Hill, Prentice Hall, Birose Sons. Place of publication, name of city. If it is not well known, then add state, province, and our country, India, Jaipur. US Postal Service abbreviations for state, two-digit codes, CA for California and Y for New York. If more cities are given, use the first or the publisher's head office if clearly mentioned. Title of the book should be italic in case of a book chapter. Title of the journal should be italic in case of journal article. Journal titles be written in full. Harvard Business Review, not hr.buzz.review, neither HBR. Journal volume and issue number in Arabic numerals 33, 4, volume of a book, volume 1 to 20, volume 26, pp 501 to 508, start and end, inclusive pages numbers for journal articles or book chapters 215 to 224. Discontinuous pages 5 to 7, 11 to 12. Uniform resource locator URL http://www.topic inclinicalnutrition.com. Digital object identifier DOI. Non-routine information. Give non-routine but important information in square brackets. Letters to the editor. Special issue. Brochure. Abstract. Part 1. Citation in text. APA uses author dates, methods of citation. This means the last name of the author and the date of publication are inserted in the text at appropriate place. While referencing or summarizing a source, name of authors and year is written, but when quoting or summarizing a particular passage text, there is need to include specific page number or paragraph number. If a direct quotation is up to 40 words, incorporate it into your text while putting quotation mark. Exact quotation is to be quoted, but if information is described its own words, then no need to put. If the quotation is more than 40 words, write the quotation in free intended blocks of text and quotation marks are not used. Leave 5 to 7 spaces or just one normal tab from left side while composing on computer. Citation in text, long quotations in block form, indent 5 to 7 spaces and omit the quotation mark. If the quotation has internal paragraph, indent the internal paragraphs a further 5 to 7 spaces. Do not use quotation mark, double space the block quote, cite the source after the end punctuation of the quote. Citation in text, example, long quotation. Myers 1993 found that the placebo effect, which had been verified in previous studies, at the end you have to write down the page number. Citation in text, one single author text reference. In one of the assessment study, Harris 2009 found R in the study conducted by Harris 2009 secondary grade students. R in 2009 Harris study on secondary grade students. Croth 1996 states that a traumatic response frequently entails a delayed, uncontrolled, repetitive appearance of hallucinations and other intrusive phenomena. Page 11. And quotation marks. Another format is that you have to write at the end the author's last name, years, and page number. Citation in text, in case of two authors, Ali and Ahmad 2007 are Ali and Ahmad 2007, and in a symbolic form. For 3 to 5 more authors, first citation will be Irshad, Kausar and Sadia 2007, and in the subsequent citation write the last name of first authors followed by ETR. As in the above example, Irshad et al. 2007. For 6 or more authors, write the last name of the first authors by et al. And the year. Citation in the text, multiple citations, multiple sources from same authors, chronological orders separated by commas. Bukhari 2010-11 and in press within same year, Bukhari 2010A, 2010B, etc. Multiple sources separated by semicolon, alphabetical order. Bukhari 2010, semicolon, Parvez 2002, semicolon, Salma 2001. Citation in text, secondary reference. In 1947, the World Health Organization proposed the following definition of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. World Health Organization, as cited in Potter and Perry 2001, page 3. Citation in text. Work by no identified author. In case name of the author is unknown, cite the first few words of the reference within quotation marks and mention years. For example, student-centered learning, 1999. Two or more work in the same parenthesis. In such cases, the text references should be cited in alphabetical order and then chronologically in the context to year. For example, previous research. Hiram 1999, Saeed 2000, Usman and Amna 1998, Usman and Amna 1997a. Citation in text, personal communication. Personal communication, email, phone, conversation, letter, etc. TK use personal communication, comma, September 19, comma, 2001, not included in reference list. Citation in text, handling, parenthetical citation, more than one authors with the same last name. 8 James, 1878, W. James, 1880, specific part of a source, Jones, 1995, chapter 2. If the source has no known author, then use the abbreviated version of the title. Full title, California Cigarette Text Letter Smokers. Citation, California, 1999. Part 2, reference list and bibliography. Place the list of references cited at the end of the paper. Start references on a new page. Begin each entry flush. Write the left margin. Indent subsequent lines 5 to 7 spaces. Hanging indent. Double space both within and between entries. Italicize the title of the book, magazine. Place the list of the reference cited at the end of the paper. Start reference on a new page. Begin each entry flush with the left margin. Indent subsequent lines 5 to 7 space. Double space both within and between entries. Italicize the title of the book. Arrange sources alphabetically. Begin with the author's last name. If author has more than one source, arrange entries by year, earliest first. When an author appears both as a sole author and in another citation as the first author of a group, list the one author's entries first. No authors given. Begin entry with the title and alphabetize without counting A and R. Do not underline, italicize, or use quote marks for a title used instead of an author name. For online information, search through DOI. DOI is a unique alphanumeric string assigned to identify content and provide a persistent link to its location on the internet. It is usually located on the first page of the e-journal near the copyright notice. When DOI is cited, then no other retrieval information is needed. It is usually written like DOI dash dash. Reference list, bibliography, reference from a book, Saeed M. 2002, Knowledge Management. Lahore, Edwin Publishers. Another example is given below, that is of two authors, Gregory George, Gregory, G. Dot, and Party. Dot, T. Dot 2006, Designing Brain Compatible Learning, 3rd edition, full stop, Thousand Oaks, CA, Corwin. Reference list, bibliography, Bhatti, J.R. 2001a, Bhatti J.R. 2001b, Comfort K.L. 1999, Comfort K.L. 2002, Comfort K.L. Alvarado R. Smith, Yoshikawa H. 1994. Reference list, bibliography, book with 6 or more authors. Walshick, S.A. West, S.G. Sandler's, IN 10 courseworth, D. Dot, Lingua, L. Dot, et al. 2000, an experimental evaluation of. Reference list, bibliography, book with no author, Merriam-Webster Collegiate Dictionary, 10th edition, 1993, Springfield, MA, Merriam-Webster. Reference list, bibliography, citation of a chapter of a yearbook, encyclopedia. For example, Saeed, M. 2007, Developing Primary School Teachers Mentoring Model in ICET International Yearbook, page number 23 to 32, USA, University of Illinois. Note here, title of the yearbook is italicized instead title of the chapter and theme. Reference list, bibliography, citation of a chapter from a book, edited handbook, Mahmood, S. 2008. And again, tacit and explicit knowledge in A.R. Kausar and M. Azam edition, Their first name, Knowledge Management in a Global Society, page number 50 to 73, Lahore, Firozsons. Reference from a multi-volume book, Coach S. Edited 1959 to 1963, Psychology, A Study of Science, Volume 1 to 6, New York, McGraw-Hill. Reference from a journal, Lee Y. J. and Green, J. 2007. The predictive validity of an ESL placement test, a mixed method approach, Journal of Mixed Method Research. Journal name is italicized 1/4, volume numbers, page number 366 to 389. If paper in press, The New Healthcare Lexicon, Journal of Health. Reference from a magazine, Posner, M.I. 2003, October 29. Seeing the Mind, Science, 262, 673 to 674. Reference from dissertation or thesis, Vernon, J. E. 1992. The impact of divorce on grandparents-grandchild's relationship when the parents' generation divorces. Unpublished doctoral dissertation, University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Reference from an official document, Pakistan Government of 2009, National Education Policy 2009, Islamabad, Ministry of Education, Allama Iqbal Open University 2010, Annual Report 2009, Islamabad, IOOU Press. Videotape reference, National Institute on Mental Health, full stop, 1980, full stop, drug abuse, videotape, in brackets, and Bethesda, author, full stop. Web online citations. It is better to write complete online reference that appear at the top while downloading the material and then mention retrieve date or date of access of the material. You may also mention website as www.agc.gov.pk. Web DOI citations. Green, C, full stop, 2000, April 16. History and Philosophy of Psychology. Web sources retrieved from http www.yorko.ca/department.htm. Heuristic, no date mentioned in Merriam-Webster's online dictionary, retrieved from that website. Reference from PowerPoint slide, Columbia University Teacher College Institute for Learning Technologies 2000, Smart Cities, New York, Electronic Education for the New Millennium. In parentheses, PowerPoint slides retrieved from http www.ilt.columbia.edu/publication/index. Reference of press release, American Psychological Association 2006, April 30. Internet use involve both pros and cons for children and adolescents. Press release retrieved from the following website. We are thankful for this presentation to Dr. Muhammad Saeed from University of the Punjab. Thank you very much.